Namaste. Build stamina with ease. Stamina is essential for any kind of success in almost all undertakings, whether physical, creative, mental, emotional, or even spiritual. Think of stamina as that secret ingredient that powers all activities. In many ways, stamina is a extra reserve of energy. While many sports persons, singers, public speakers, entrepreneurs, inventors, etc., would be nowhere in their fields without stamina, this applies to almost all other people, professions, and so on as well. Anyone who's serious about their goals, their aims, and their dreams needs to have enough stamina available. No dream can ever be fulfilled in the absence of stamina. Think of stamina as that special and mysterious thing that brings a unique flavor and almost guarantees success in almost all that one attempts to do. It is actually many and enough of those extra ounces of something that can make one take an extra step, go an extra little distance, last a little longer than possible. That's what stamina is. There is a physical aspect to stamina, and this physical aspect can be transmuted into emotional, mental, spiritual, and so on. Some are born with a good store of stamina and manage to maintain it throughout their lives, but there are many who may not be born with much, and if they are, they tend to lose it. So here is a simple technique I've explained in my earlier videos, but I'll do it again. Take a little bit of ghee, which is a pure cow's clarified butter. We call it ghee. If it is non-liquid, that means if it is in a kind of frozen state, without putting in a refrigerator, but if necessary, maybe you can try that as well. Take a little bit of that, maybe just like a, how much should I say? Let's say the size of a few grains of homeopathy pills. You know, you've seen those homeopathy pills. So say 3-4 of those homeopathy pills, about that much, or a little more, doesn't matter. Take them on the little finger, apply them inside the nostrils, both nostrils. Do this for a little while so that it spreads out, and then once it kind of settles in, you know, kind of makes a coating, then do your Om chanting. You can say Om or you can say Am. Let me show you how. When it's just simple plain Om chanting, show you one, or Om. Keep your belly light. The more relaxed your belly, the better results you'll get. If you know how to do Hanuman Master Breath, combine this with the Hanuman Master Breath. I've shared this in numerous videos. I've also put it on Facebook. Take a look. Once you've done this, you can also do Brahmari. Brahmari, you can learn about Brahmari online. Otherwise, basically, you put your fingers like this and you close your ears. You know, there's a like this thing outside the ear. Press it and it'll shut your ears. It'll close your ears. So close them like this and go. Mm. feel the vibrations in this area. This is the area that produces nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps to dilate the vessels, which means the oxygen absorption in your body increases. This will naturally help sports persons particularly very immensely, and also public speakers, singers, etc., because it does something magical to the quality of your voice. Now, do this thrice a day if you can. After doing this, do your own chanting for about half an hour. Combine it with this if you like, or just the Om chanting, Brahmari and Om chanting, or Om chanting and Brahmari, and in either order, and do it for about half an hour. If you can do it thrice a day, you will notice an immense improvement in your stamina, unbelievable increase, and you will begin to notice this within days, definitely weeks, but within days. Sports persons, I would encourage you to time yourselves or to see how you are performing after doing this. Make notes and share if you like, if you can. I'll be very grateful if you do. I'll be sharing the links to my WhatsApp groups, my numbers, my website, etc. here. Also, for your information, I will soon be starting a weekly program to teach this physically. It's a free program. Anyone can join this, learn, and take advantage. Those who wish to go deeper can ask for the more advanced programs, and for which we will discuss and see how to take this ahead. I would love to work with sports persons, public speakers, students, more specifically singers, and so on. Of course, everyone is welcome to take advantage. Believe me, you will be totally surprised by the kind of results you get as far as your stamina is concerned. You may actually have too much of it very soon. All the best. Join the program, take advantage, and remember one very interesting phrase, if you like. When stamina increases, challenges weaken, or challenge weakens. Namaste.